2007 Audi A6 C6. It's the 2-litre engine, VRE, and I think I've got a possible throttle body or intake manifold flap issue on this. So I'm going to show you how to change it. Right, so I've got a EML light on there, and I've got a fault come up on my code reader. I'm using the Audi 600S from Top Don. It's alright, I'm not a mechanic, but I'm a DIYer and it's pretty good. It, you know, resets my error codes. I can put brake into service, reset service intervals. Worth the money, I'd recommend it. But anyway, yes, I've got one fault here, and it's telling me the intake flap motor is faulty, passive sporadic, and I believe that the intake flap motor is also known as a throttle body. So yeah, I'll show you how to change that. So you've got 3 torque screws. You've got one there, there's one in here, and then there's one underneath this back pipe, this air intake pipe. So you've got to get them 3 screws out. Remember where they've come from, because they're all different lengths. Also, we need to remove this clip here, which is holding this pipe on. It's quite simple to do, just with a flathead screwdriver. You can just pop it off like so. There you go. I'll get them unscrewed and get that out and show you. Make sure you unplug the electrical connector here. I think my clip's broken, so it come off quite easy, but it can be a bit of a fiddle to get that out. So just make sure you unplug that. Move that out of the way there. So they're the fixings that come out. Like I say, look, this one's longer. They're the same, but that's longer. So just remember where it's come from. These were a T30 hex bit. Really straightforward to come out. And there it is. I believe what it does is controls the airflow in the engine by closing this flap, depending on acceleration. So yeah, that is it. It is a Siemens VDO. Now, I have been told by a few people online, and I found out on forums, that you have to buy a VDO or OEM part, because I bought this one, which is an aftermarket one. It was 40 quid, brand new, and I plugged it in, put it all in, and it continues to throw the error fault. So that one's been taken out, and I've got arriving shortly a Siemens VDO throttle body. Let's see if that one works. Right, so I got it out, and the new one's arrived, and it says on there VDO. So hopefully this one will do. So I'll get it fitted, and we'll have a look at the error codes afterwards. Right, so new parts fitted, all plugged in, all tightened up. Let's have a look. Alright, so we're doing a scan, 16%. Let's see. There we go, engine control module, no fault codes. Whereas before, no trouble codes. Whereas before we had the intake manifold flap. So I'm happy with that. Let's come out of this, and then let's turn the car on. There we go, and there goes the engine light, gone. Well, I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.